Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be designing a pen holder. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is SketchUp. I'm actually recording this video after I recorded the other video that shows you how we designed this pen holder. So because of that, uh, there might be a little gap in the editing, but yeah, so basically, here's going to just be your drawing line, erase, your rectangle, rotation, circle, polygon. Today we're just going to be using this push-pull. We're actually going to use that at all. And then we're going to be using the rectangle and the tape measure. Those three tools. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. So today we're going to be making a nice little pen holder. I'm going to start here. I'm just going to go 1 inch like this. And then comma 1, enter. Really, really small. So we zoom in. Then we're going to use this push-pull tool. It's this one right here. You're just going to click, and we're going to go up, and we're going to go up an eighth of an inch. So now we're just going to come in here and go to a circle. And we basically want to try to center it. So let's just go grab the tape measure first. Light up for the midpoint. Yeah. So now we want to do this on this side, and we just kind of want to go here. And we're just going to delete that line. Go back to tape measure. Okay. Now we have our center. Now we go back up to the circle. Make sure it's on circle. Here it comes, center it at the intersection. And probably all the way out. You could go one less. I'm going to go all the way out. And then you're just going to go center again. And go just inside that. Not much. So about there. Click it. And you're going to push pull again. And you're just going to move this up. I'm going to go 2 inches. Like so. Now we're just going to erase these lines. Well, it doesn't look centered, but it is. And there you go. That is a pen holder. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory how that works. So put the pen on top and it holds it. So that's how you do it. Then to save this to 3D, we're going to come down here to export 3D model. And then make sure it's an STL file. And then just type in whatever you want to call it. Pen, LDR, pen holder. And pick where you want it. I'm going to put it in downloads and export. And that's it, guys. Yeah. Hope this helps. Have a nice day. Bye.